Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly gathering facts: model, Chrome OS version, and whether the device is under warranty. Once done, reboot and sign into guest mode to isolate user profile problems. This rules out software settings or extensions. Make sure you inspect the hinge and bezel for cracks or loose connections, and plug the Chromebook into an external monitor. If the external display is stable, the issue is likely the internal panel or cable, rather than the GPU or OS. Next, focus on software causes. Update Chrome OS fully, and if needed, create a recovery USB to reinstall the system. Corrupted firmware can trigger Flickr. Disable hardware acceleration in Chrome, //settings, and temporarily remove recent extensions. Some cause rendering conflicts. Use crash diagnostics. Run system tests and memory checks to spot GPU or RAM errors. If Flickr appears only when certain apps run, that narrows it to driver or renderer interactions. Make configuration changes and if software steps fail, move to hardware. Power down, remove the back cover, and carefully reseat the display cable, EDP or LVDS, because loose connectors cause intermittent flicker. Once reseated, power up and check. If flicker persists, swap the panel or hinge cable with a known good part to confirm which component is faulty. Finally, if you're under warranty or uncomfortable, document the exact symptoms and error behavior, then contact authorized repair. Avoid voiding warranty with unnecessary DIY attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.